Meaning of illogically.
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 Illogically. The term illogically refers to something that doesn't follow the rules of logic or reason, or that is inconsistent with accepted principles of thought. When someone behaves illogically, they might make decisions or arguments that seem to lack rational justification, or they might draw conclusions that do not make sense given the evidence available. This can lead to confusion, frustration, or misunderstandings, as others struggle to make sense of the illogical behavior. In short, illogical thinking or actions often produce results that are difficult to understand or accept according to the norms of rationality and common sense.